In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Google One subscription. If you are considering upgrading to a different plan instead of canceling, you can do so without ending your membership. To upgrade, log into your Google One account and click on the Plans option located on the left side of your screen. From here, you can select a new plan without having to cancel your current subscription. However, if you want to cancel your Google One membership entirely, follow these steps. First, click on the gear icon in the upper right side of your screen to open Google One settings. On this page, scroll down to find the Cancel Membership option and click on it. A prompt will appear, warning you that if you are out of storage, you will not be able to store new files or receive emails. If you are fine with this, click on Cancel Membership to proceed. Next, you will be redirected to your Google Play subscriptions page. Here, click on Manage, then scroll down and select Cancel Membership. You will be asked to choose a reason for cancelling. Select one that applies to you, then click Continue, followed by Cancel Subscription. Once completed, a confirmation pop-up will appear, indicating that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Click OK to finalize the process. Keep in mind that even after cancelling, you will still have access to your Google One storage until the end of your current billing cycle. During this time, you can transfer your files to another storage service if needed.